Hi Cars lovers, get ready to experience the all-new Hyundai Elantra 2025, a stunning evolution of design, performance, and innovation that redefines what a luxury compact sedan can be. Sleek aerodynamic lines flow seamlessly across its bold front fascia, featuring a sharp parametric grille and futuristic LED lighting that makes a commanding presence day or night. Step inside and you're welcomed into a cabin crafted with premium materials, leather upholstery, and ambient lighting that sets the perfect mood for every drive. The driver-focused cockpit is loaded with advanced tech, a panoramic digital display, high-definition infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a premium Bose sound system that turns every journey into a private concert. Under the hood, the Elantra 2025 offers a range of efficient yet powerful engine options, including hybrid technology, delivering smooth acceleration and impressive fuel economy without compromising performance. Safety is top tier, with Hyundai SmartSense features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera for ultimate confidence on the road. With its combination of cutting-edge technology, luxury-level comfort, and bold style, the Hyundai Elantra 2025 is not just a car.